Hello. Right then, let's get going. Last bit for me today. Let him go. Just while my dashboard's firing up into life. Come on. Toward a truck stop, stockyard. Left his side locker open. I hope he realises it. Well, his cab door's open, so I should have. Right, so it should be a little. Little run down to the red line now. That's where I'm going to be stopping, I reckon. 11:30. Sign, safety starts here. No, not before it. Don't give a fuck anywhere before it, but just there, that's where safety starts. Anywhere before it, you're on your own. You ain't fucking safe there. I love fucking signs like that. I'm gonna get down to the red line. I'm gonna have something to eat. Steak and chips, I reckon, and then I'm going to go to bed.
After 600 feet, bear right, Denby Way.
So I should be down there about 1 o'clock, which is 12 hours. 12 hour shift, which is enough when you start at 1 o'clock in the morning.
Bear
I must
right.
admit. Bear right, watch out for bears. I think I've definitely got up too early. Oh fucking hell! That was bendy. So I've put in a new. I want to say SIM card. No. Fuel card. No. Memory card. Fucking what is wrong with me? Oh, fuck battery. Here we go. So the plan is now no, not really a change of plan,
to 900
just
feet, go right on the roundabout and take the third exit, A631, Bawtry Road.
just slightly different. So we're going to the red line. I'm pulling over. I'm taking 11 off because I need to take 11 off, and then I'll be getting up at some
Go right on the roundabout and take the third exit.
some ridiculous time in the morning once more, and then I'm going to get this box off in one of the yards tomorrow down in Southampton. I've got to be there before 6 o'clock in the morning, so I'm going to work it back that I'm there about 5ish. Gives me a bit of leeway time in case of road closures and general fuckwittery. And then I can refuel, park up, and
After
fucking go
600
home.
feet, go left on the roundabout and take the first exit, M18, towards the south, then take the motorway.
Green light, is it going to stay green?
Go left on the roundabout and take the first exit,
Yes,
then
it
take
is.
the motorway.
Here we go, motorway all the way now. Let's go. Well, we should be fairly safe in the red line tonight. Should. I need to be over in that middle lane.
After 1.2 miles, keep right.
Fucking idiot. There's always one. Does he know where he's going? I don't think he does. I wouldn't be surprised if he doesn't go into that left-hand lane now. Let's keep an eye on him. Let's see if he does. I don't know if you can see him, but I can see him. He goes into the left-hand lane. There's a surprise. So all that weaving around, and he's got about 4 cars. He's got ahead of 4 cars.
After half a mile, keep right.
I should have sorted myself out with a drink when I had that break. I'm fucking gasping. Dickhead.
Keep right.
What an idiot.
Follow M18 towards Nottingham for 92 miles.
So I don't know how long this the camera will last. It's got a full battery. That's the way to do it. Have your roof down. Going on now to the M1, looking a little busier. it'd be interesting to see what the quality of the film is like with the sun shining. Straight India. Getting 11 miles to the gallon. I had quite a light box this morning, which helped, and obviously empty now, so should creep up. Don't know if it'll go up much. Be interesting to see if it does over the next hour and a half. Eco score of 91, happy with that. Oh, blimey. Oh, wandering around the road. Yeah, hour and a half, I'm pulling over, I'm done. Back there, so a couple of horses, just the one. I wonder if they like being in the back of that. I can't imagine they do, because they're, you know, horses are pretty skittery sort of animals, aren't they? You know. Well, the hedges all sort of started going green and then it's stopped. It's cold weather, I guess. There's a few bushes that are sort of greened up a bit, but there's a bit of blossom out on some of the trees. And some of the trees are wrapped in fucking plastic, look. God. Oh, hiccups. Here we go. It's coming out. Into Derbyshire Shire. There's a dead something or other there. I went over something this morning and it was proper mangled. Early hours. Whatever it was, obviously didn't know nothing about it. And you couldn't even tell what sort of it was. I suspect it was a deer. Purely and simply because of the size of the thing. But there was just it was like just a carcass. There was no legs or head or feet or anything like that. It was sort of smonged about a bit, but there was just this mess. I dread to think what the vehicle looked like that hit it. I know someone in Germany, they were flying over, they were driving over, it was the middle of summer, this was back in the late 80s. I can't for the life of me remember what car it was, but they were driving over this bridge, just going over a river in Germany somewhere, and they had all the windows down, like the front windows and the back windows, and he was just driving over it one summer's day. I think he had his wife with him, and the next thing, in the back of the car, there's all this fucking commotion and feathers, and the swan had flown in through the fucking dive bombed and flown straight in through the back window, and it was sat on the back seat. Fucking not impressed. it was apparently it was completely uninjured. It just managed to come in through the back window. Fucking hell. He said I nearly crashed trying to bring the car to a stop because this fucking thing was flapping about. And it wasn't happy. Well, you'd expect not. Flying along nice and sedately. Next minute you're doing 80 mile an hour at the fucking Autobahn. He's lost the door. Fucking has as well, he's lost the door. The door is not even in the back. And those, it doesn't look like those IBCs are even strapped down. I don't, maybe they are, I can't see, but there's roof straps and he's got none of those over it. Internal straps, and that's not a load bearing curtain. With only one door, he's asking to get pulled over, I reckon. Guys, this truck coming down is decorated like, it looks like it's decorated like one of those trucks you see in Nepal or India. But it looked like it from the distance, doesn't look so bad close up. ERF. Don't see many of those on the road either. Well, they can break into the back of the container tonight because all they're going to steal tonight is fresh air. Don't bother putting a lock on it. They can fucking do what they like in the back. They can have a party as far as I'm concerned. I saw just seen a clip of these Extinction Rebellion people. Like, you know, we've got a bit of a fuel crisis going on at the moment with a lot of the service stations are being devoid of fuel because the Extinction Rebellion, fucking, I don't know whatever they fucking call themselves, those fucking loons that glue themselves to roads, them bastards are stopping the tankers from leaving the depots. But not only that, but I saw a clip today where they broke into the depot, and there must have been about 6 or 7 tanker trailers, all with every tyre done. They broke in and let the tyres down, or slashed them, or punctured them, or let the air out of all of them. It's what are you trying to achieve by this? You know, this is where, you know, there was a picture of, like, they were climbing on top of the trucks. I wouldn't suggest you climb on top of mine unless you want to visit the fucking A&E department. But I'd probably get done for that, wouldn't I? The fact that he climbed up there has no relevance whatsoever. The fact that I fucking decided to drive and hit the brakes to knock him off, oh no, I'm the guilty person. Fucking word that one out. That's like the ones that break into someone's house and then wonder why they get shot. Hang on a minute, you just broke into that bastard's house. I'd fucking shoot you as well. World's gone mental. And the police are there just watching them. Well, I'd do more than watch them. You know, super glue into your hand is not going to achieve anything. All you're going to do is piss people off and cost people money, because that's what it's doing. And whilst I agree with the overall cause, i.e. we need to stop using so much diesel and petrol and fossil fuels, I totally agree and I sympathise. But the fact of the matter is that we do not have a direct replacement as of yet to enable us to be able to do anything about it. So until then, we've got to just go along with what we're doing. And I bet, you know, where did they get that super glue from? I bet they bought it fucking online, which means a truck that had to come in a shipping container. Then it had to go. Then I had to deliver it somewhere to an RDC. Then it got sent by another truck to somewhere else. And I wonder if they did shopping online. And it come with all their fruit and veg. It just, if you want to save the planet, stop buying stuff on. Well, in fact, just stop buying stuff. That's the one of the biggest problems we have in this country, is that we buy too much shite, and we're all guilty of it, myself included. We buy tons and tons of stuff, thousands of pounds. You know, and that it keeps me in a job. You know, I can't. You know, it's like, you know, it's biting the hand that feeds you, isn't it, really? But, you know, let's be realistic about it. All these trucks are carrying, all these trucks you see here are all carrying goods of one description or another. that people like me and you buy. You know? It's all full of food or pharmaceuticals or clothing or household goods. If we all just thought about, maybe that's what I'm going to have to do. I'm going to say, right, maybe I look at my online spend and I go, do I really need that? Do I need to buy it? But everything that I buy, and question myself, do I need it? Is it going to change my life in any way, shape or form, or is it just something nice to have? And if it's just something nice to have, then maybe no, I don't really need it, because it's not a necessity. Is it, you know, I don't know, work something out. Is it maybe have a formula that, you know, is it a necessity? Yes or no? No. Well, I don't need it then. I don't know. I don't know what the answer is, but we all, I think we're all guilty of it. We're consumers, you know, and we've been